Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enable DND mode. To enable Do Not Disturb, swipe down notification bar and extend it. Right here you should have DND. If the DND is not enabled here, go to Edit, and add it to top bar. DND is here, this is the icon. To enable it, simply tap the icon. Now select Mode and turn on. If you tap and hold on this button, you will enter DND settings, where you can set up schedule and accepts. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.